Another big story happening today. Orleans Parish Sheriff Susan Hutson and Chief Financial Officer Bianaka Brown made a brief appearance in court this morning. They are now defendants in a criminal case following last night's indictments. Chief Investigative Reporter David Hammer is here to explain what happened and what the next steps are. I know a lot of eyes were on the courthouse and it was quick.
Yeah, very quick. In fact, it took longer for Sheriff Hutson and Ms. Brown get into court and out than it did for the actual hearing. To remind everybody, Sheriff Hutson is facing 30 counts. Chief Brown is facing 20 counts. These are charges of malfeasance, filing false public records, and obstruction of justice. And they went before Judge Franz Ziblich today for a bond hearing, but both of them had already posted bond when they turned themselves into Jefferson Parish Jail yesterday. So really there was no cause for the hearing, and now it goes to Judge Leon Roche to continue with the case. And we expect that the sheriff and the chief will ask for a bill of particulars, because at this point we really don't know the details of the charges. We just know the counts that they're facing. And I did reach out to Sheriff Hutson's attorney, Greg Carter, to ask for comment and have not heard back yet.
Those particulars are what would really tell us what these charges are.
Exactly. And all we know at this point from Attorney General Liz Murrow is that this stems from their investigation of the jailbreak last May when 10 inmates got out. And the question here is, are they going to be able to prove, is the state going to be able to prove that the sheriff and the chief knowingly allowed this to happen and did it with willful misconduct? It's not enough to prove that they mismanaged things or failed. They would have to show that they did it willfully.
And that's the weight that the prosecutor is really going to have to bring into this case, right?
Exactly, exactly.
Sure that it is.
And we're going to continue to follow it. We expect to get more details potentially tomorrow on what the details are in these charges.
We'll keep following it, David. Thank you for that, and thank you.